Test. All right, I think we are live. Let me just wait for confirmation, but I think everyone can hear me now, so welcome. So let's see, yesterday evening it was pretty wild. We were up about 1.5%, 2%, and we dropped about 1% due to earning reports. So we can see the big swings over here that were made. So this was yesterday during the New York Open. We went down, we eventually bottomed out over here, and then we made a nice rally up, and then we had the earning reports coming out, and those were negative. And yeah, I made some good trades over here, shorting it. So normally I would not trade power hour, but yesterday I had a blast doing so. Then we have the Asia session, and yeah, it's just chopping around right now. It's trying to find its balance, and now the next question is, what will the New York pre-market tell us? And where will the markets go from here? Now we can see that we have some nice interest over here. There is also the put wall, the end of day put wall, of course. And once the New York opens, we will see if the put wall moves or not. I suspect it will. Let's see what the DOM is telling us. So yeah, all the Magnificent 7 stocks are currently pulling down. Interesting. One of these others. Well, actually, no. Spots. There you go. Yeah, crazy markets indeed, Fumble. But crazy markets can sometimes be good if you are in the right direction. If you're on the other side, it's not so good, I would imagine. Okay, but so for the downside, we have about 20 points lower. That's a lot of interest over here. So what we could see during the New York Open is maybe a nice push down to the ST1 and then eventually to the ST2, and the ST2 is at 60, around 60, 59 to be precise. And otherwise the first level of interest would be around the 80s. Now for the upside, we have some room. And if we reclaim the 7,400, we can see a 30-point push up to the 30s. Now, what will happen first is, we will have to wait and see and anticipate. So. So far, it would be nice if we can reclaim the 7,400 over here. So basically, if the buyers could step up their game and push this up, that would be great. So far, I'm not seeing it just yet. By the way, I have connected my interactive brokers account, so the trades that you will be seeing here will also be directed to the interactive brokers account. And so far, the pre-markets, just as yesterday, isn't that spectacular. Okay, we are now making the push up. Let's see if we can see a good reaction over here. So yeah, let's wait and see. We also have 5 minutes left for a new hourly, so the bigger question now is, do I want to long for a couple of points into the 7,400 or do I wait for a reclaim or a rejection and then take my trades? That is the big question now. Let's look at NQ. Let's see what you are seeing. Keep in mind, NQ is now currently up almost 1% as well. So the most logical thing would be a retrace back down a little. Yeah, look at that big move up basically on NQ. So what I would imagine, especially since we are now sitting at the cluster over here, is we either reclaim it and we continue up and stay bullish, or if we cannot reclaim this, then I would imagine our next level of interest is a move down to the 600 level. But NQ is always interesting to watch and of course trade. Keep in mind on NQ you might want to have bigger stops. Here you can clearly see that it's, wait, let me just do it like this, that it rejected over here. 1, 2, 3. So it already rejected 3 times. Now it's going for the 4th. We are breaking through, so that is a good sign. For the bulls, that is. Okay. But watching ES, it still has not reclaimed this over here, the 7,400. Fix is at 19, yes, and yesterday the fix ended well above the 2023, I think. Okay, let's wait and see for the reaction over here. I'm switching this to ES again. All right, have a good one, Fumble. And if you are trading New York, stay safe. I'm just waiting for the new hourly. Let's see if this plays out. If it doesn't, it doesn't, of course, but I can see a little push up towards here. So I entered the trade with 2 contracts. I already took profit of 1. That was very quick. But I need to see a reclaim of this level now. That's more of a waiting game, I guess. break even. Boom. That was a nice long. All right. And this is once again connected with the Interactive Brokers account, so this is all live. All right. So first trade of the New York pre-market is in. On to the next. All right, I don't think I will see any more trades here, so I will probably just trade the New York session once it opens in half an hour. For now, I would like to have a little bit of feedback because I just started out streaming again. So would you guys be interested in me just trading the pre-market, or would you be rather interested in me trading the New York session? Usually what I do is I trade in trade sessions. So I have a trading block during the London session. That's usually 30 minutes for the London Open and then 1 hour for the London itself. And I have a session block for the New York pre-market. So now I took one trade, and then I also trade 1 to 2 hours during the New York session. So my question to you is, if you're also watching the stream live, or if you're rewatching the stream, that is also fine. What would you guys prefer? For now, I would say thank you for watching. And yep, if you're trading in New York, stay safe and have a nice day.